Hi guys and gals and kittens. So this is a new feature we built into the primary product because one of our clients didn't want to include a chatbot on all pages. He wanted to have a go-to page where you could ask the chatbot questions about products he was selling. So as you can see here, this is basically a copy of our landing page. Here I've included the chocolate theme, Scandinavian chocolate theme, and it works just like default. Now, if I go back into my embed script here and I find it, and I add two query parameters. I add render button equal false, and I add parent node equal foo. And then I have to change the theme inclusion query parameter to dash inline. Notice currently we only have Scandinavian chocolate theme, which actually has this particular feature. Then by doing this to my embed script, what I'm basically telling the chatbot JavaScript file is that I have a specific parent node. Its ID is foo. This is where I want to inject my chatbot. I also tell it that I do not want you to render a button. If I save this and I go back to my file here, let's just wait and see when it's saved. And I might have to refresh my cache, so I'm going to do F12, choose network here and make sure I have disabled cache. Then all of a sudden you see I no longer have a button in my bottom right corner. This is because what I have a foo HTML element up here. We search for it, below the hero container. And it has some styling and stuff like that. Obviously you should be using CSS, not the style attribute in a real solution. I'm just doing this for illustration purposes. And what is actually happening is that my chatbot is injected inside of that element. So I now have a chatbot that more like resembles ChatGPT, you might say, at which point I can have the chatbot open up in open mode by default every time somebody comes to this page. It still works the exact same way. If I, for instance, ask, how does it relate to AI search here, right? And hopefully the point being that it is supposed to be continuing the conversation and comparing AI search to our ChatGPT chatbot. Now, this is an experimental feature for the record. We will be stabilizing it in the near future. However, this allows you to have a go-to page where you have a UI that is like similar to ChatGPT's default UI, instead of just having a button in the bottom right corner that you need to click in order to actually access the chatbot. Obviously, I want to encourage people by using that chat button in the bottom right corner, because then the chatbot follows you around on the entirety of the website, and it's only 50 kilobytes of JavaScript and CSS anyways. So it doesn't really negatively affect your search engine optimization or any of your page load time, etc. whatsoever. But this is a solution in case you do not want to do that and you want to have like a go-to page where your chatbot is answering questions related to your training data. So anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.